guys, welcome to Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll try to understand what is JUnit here. So this is very first video on JUnit, and there we'll try to understand basically what is JUnit and why we should use it. Yeah. So let's start. So JUnit is a unit testing framework for a Java programming language that plays a big role in regression testing. That means using JUnit framework, you can write basically you can test your Java code. Yeah. To perform unit testing, we need to create test cases. The unit test case is a code which ensures that the program logic works as expected. So when you write some Java code, right? So to make sure that your code is giving the expected output, we write different test cases for your piece of code what we write, right? So inside the class you write the different methods or API, right? So to test this method, you have to write various test cases. You can have a positive or negative test cases, both kind of test cases, right? And in every test cases, we are going to check whether we are going to get the expected output or not. Yeah. So that's the second point. Now next point says running tests automatically helps to identify software regressions introduced by the changes in the source code. So let's say you have already developed some software and you have some pre-existing test cases written by the developer, right? And if you make some changes, right, then make sure that you are going to write genuine test cases for a newly written code as well. And additionally, make sure that when you run the test cases all together, then pre-existing test cases are also going to be passed, right? And that makes sure that whatever new changes you have done, because of that, new functionality is not going to break. Yeah. Now, having a high test coverage of your source code allows you to continue developing features without having to perform lot of manual tests, right? So guys, when you write genuine test cases, right, then what's the basically coverage of your code that you can check by integrating some tools like Sonar, right? So if you are using a continuous integration tool like Jenkins, then you can integrate a Sonar with Jenkins, which will give you the nice report, means what's the genuine coverage of your code, right? If genuine test coverage of your code is good, that means that shows your code is very well tested, and that will also reduce the manual test, right? Now this is the basically a very simple piece of code which shows you how basically we write the JUnit test cases. So in JUnit, JUnit provides a lot of assertions, right? And these assertions basically help us to write JUnit test cases, right? So once you run the JUnit test cases, then if you are using any kind of IDE, then that will show you the positive as well as negative results. So green always shows the your test cases has been passed. If some results is showing as a red, that means your test cases has been failed, right? So that's the way basically any ID basically showing what are I mean test reports, right? And if you are using some tools like Sonar, that will also show you, or even though if you are using some tools like build automation tools like Maven or Gradle, that will show you the basically test result in nice format, right? So that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.